What's up, everyone? Back home from work. Went to the junkyard again, and I was like, I just want to stop by because I've been looking at this item on eBay, and it goes for $200, and I'm like, I can't afford that. That's too much. And I was like, I just saw that an XB was dropped on row 20 back like a couple weeks now, and I was like, let me go check it out. And if you guys are looking for a second gen XB halo headlights like I have on my XB, it's actually still on that XB second gen. And I was like, you know what, I'm looking for that dome console piece because I would love to do that, just because I don't know, it's so VIP-ish to me. So went there, ran into my buddy Chris, who I sold the Civic to, and damn, the Civic looks so good. And I was like, I don't have any money until Thursday, I'm broke, guys. So, and I was like, Chris, could you cover me if it's there? And he's like, I got you. And I was like, fuck yeah, I tell you, dude, that's my boy. So we came up and we got it. I am so pumped. It's the last item I needed for my interior, and then everything else is basically order when I had the money and probably a better job, because I'm not making money right now. But let me show you what I got. So I ended up going back, and I did get the Porsche pedals. I still got to go back and get the brake and clutch. This is the dome light that comes off of the XB second gen. I have one for Benny and one for me. The one I found over there had the LEDs, so I was like, score, dude. So we're gonna slap the LEDs in there. If I can do it with one hand, because I gotta see how these go in. There we go. They just turn here like that. But like, these LEDs were in the ones that came with it. I didn't buy it because I'm like, I don't need it, I had one. So this piece inserts into it, and we'll go ahead and do that. But this is it. Dude, we got it. Now I just gotta see how this installs, because I'm guessing, okay, these go in here like that because of the springs, and the wire runs back here like so, and then this just slides in there like that. I need 2 hands. I don't want to break it. All right, well, that was really easy. But reason why I like this is because it has this clear piece here. I can put a light or do something. This opens up to where it's a double din for like your glasses. I'm gonna have to go back and get the bracket, because I'm gonna have to cut the whole ceiling out. But it has like pockets, I can put glasses or whatever. And then it has that one clear thing. I can put my own logo or bedazzle stuff, make a little disco light in there or whatever. And then it has another spot for another pair of glasses. So, and paid total is $29.43. So I'm gonna give them $30, just round it off. But we got it. So let me show you guys what it'll look like once I get started. So I'm gonna have to drop this headliner, get all this cut out. I do plan on buying that Alcantara wrap, and then just wrap this black, and then we'll see where the lump is there. I'll have it stop there, cut it to where this will sit on top here. So I have the whole freaking piece. It'll be the, like a VIP-ish, and then I'll put the chandelier in the back. So I finally got all the OEM parts that I needed, and I am so pumped, guys. Oh. So I'm gonna clean this up, and then eventually we'll drop the headliner and do the cutting. I just got to get the brackets. So I have to go back and get the brackets, and was it something Bondum in there, because I don't see they weren't welded. It was like some adhesive that kept it up, and it's just 4 screws. So these clips here, and then there's some more that go somewhere here, and then it just screws in there and good to go. But yeah, so This is sick. So I gotta hit up the guys on Facebook and see if anyone did this swap yet, just so I can have an idea so I'm not going in blind. But it's gonna happen. I'm gonna do it. I'm freaking hella happy, guys. Got my part. So just a quick video. I just wanted to show you guys the last piece I needed. And it's done. Freaking done, dude. I'm freaking done. I am so pumped. Finally got it. So, alright, y'all. I will see you guys in the next one. I'm super sweating in this car. Tired. I gotta go do some stuff because we are finishing up the design on the t-shirts. I will be posting it on the website, and you guys can purchase a shirt, support the channel, support me, and we can get this going, or even finally get work done on the 240, and we can take it out drifting. Because like I said, I gotta make some money. I'm broke as shit, so I've been budgeting everything at the junkyard and getting back into DIY stuff again. So because I'm on a budget, but we're gonna make things happen, guys. So I'll let you guys know, update when we do the t-shirt drops. It's gonna be 2 style t-shirts, one for the XB and then the regular my logo for royalty. So it'll be the royalty automotive. So I will let you guys know, post it on Instagram, so you guys make sure you follow me on Instagram, and then we will have everything updated for you guys. So yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. Thank you. Peace. Oh yeah, thank you, Chris. You're the fucking man. I love you.